I know you're a super.
Hey guys, welcome to MCR. 2020 has been probably one of the hardest years we've had, especially for channels like ours, where we actually go and review people's cars. That has been really difficult this year, but we've made it through. We're now in 2021. So we'd like to thank you all for your support, getting us through that year. What we will be doing now is we're actually going to be taking a little bit of a break. And during that break, we're going to be getting new content for this year, which is 2021 now. Now, this video that we've got here that you're watching, if you can call it a video, that is, what I've done is I've put together some pictures and a few videos of some of the cars that we've seen or that we've reviewed through 2020. So please enjoy them. Please let us know what you think. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. This is completely free to do, so don't worry about any subscription monthlies or anything like that. It's completely free, so please hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video, and we'll have new content for 2021, and I'll see you then. Bye.
I told him that 100 racks, but I can make that back with these hooks and how I write these raps. 18 hours, man, I never slack. Working hard like day and night. I barely sleep, man, that ain't no lie. Working hard like day and night. Barely sleep, man, that ain't no lie. Moving on, there ain't no stopping me. Yo, check the charts, no one as hot as me. I'm the best man, I gotta be. I'm the best man, I gotta be. Millionaire now, probably. That's why everybody calling me. My ex-girlfriend's stalking me, but I threw that away with the lock and key. Boom. If I want it, I'ma get it. For real, told you that we so ambitious. Biggie told me the sky is the limit. Lil Wayne told me there was no ceilings. Call my mama on the phone, yeah I did it. Check my bank account, since you $250,000. Big out the whip, Lexus beam of business. Words since the beginning, not happy ending. Yeah, I do it for my friends now, and I made it to the end now. On my day one, been down. All my haters better sit down. Not at hard times, but I stay strong. Some people to me, man, they get me wrong. I never complain, I put it in a song. I finally won, put everybody on.
No matter what, I'll never give up. I gotta stay strong. And when it gets tough, I'll never let up. I gotta keep moving on till I make it to the other side. Till I make it to the other side.
I know you're a superstar, a supernova shining, you can see from super far. And they ain't ready, know you're about to hit the throttle on them. Won't see it coming, you gon' come through like a supercar. Tell me what it feel like to have no fear at all and do it here in real life. Real time right now, all day long. I know it's special and I know you know it feels right. You're the reason it will last forever. You're the star that's staring back up in the mirror. Cause it's special when you stand out from the rest. When you know that you're the best. I know you're unstoppable. I know you woke up feeling nothing is impossible. Got the key, I know you know the door's unlockable. Ain't nothing standing in your way, there ain't no obstacle. I know you're the chosen one. Numbers don't matter when you know that you're the only one. Time don't matter, you can do it all day long. I know you about to show the world just where you're coming from.
Hi guys, welcome to Matt's car review. This is a special we're doing from Orlando in Florida. We're in the Kia Sedona. It's a 3.3 litre and it's got 274 brake horsepower.
Secure the bag, I get the bus.
I'd like to say thank you to Topcoat for doing such an awesome job on a really nice car. Thanks guys.
I know you're a superstar.